Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 4 of me making over this hoarding room into a beautiful dream office of mine. I'm so excited to work on my office today because today we are going to decorate a little more than I have been decorating, and I'm also going to show you guys how I make my Ikea furniture look real expensive so it doesn't look like you only spent $50 on a bookcase. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys take your $60 Ikea furniture and make it look like it's $600. Not gonna lie, I wish more people told me these hacks when I was growing up in my dorm, because my dorm was not cute at all, but I could have made it cuter. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys watch part 1, and shout out to all my babes who have literally watched every single part in this series. You guys are the true homies. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this office. Let's go. Got my boba right here. All right, guys, it is currently day 5 of me redecorating this room. I did skip a day because I had other stuff to do, but I'm so excited I skipped a day because these guys came in. These are leather pulls that are gonna be going on into my drawers, and I kind of want to do that right now. It's gonna look so freaking cool. As you guys can see right now, these are my drawer pulls. They are not the cutest things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna redo these and make them into these cool leather pulls. I bought these off of Amazon, and I actually did buy 2 options. So I did buy these guys, and I bought these guys. They're super easy to take out. All right. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay guys, so I made both options, and I really want to like the leather pulls, except it's kind of flimsy, and I really like the clean look of these gold ones. Okay, so I actually just made a return for my Amazon because these are where I bought these, and I did not realize that these were $55 for 18 of these. I'm actually really happy I bought this instead because a pack of 20 of these little brass knobs, I believe, was just $20. Let me double check. Yeah, guys, this was only $22.67 for 20 of these. Super inexpensive. I'll link these down below if any of you guys want these for your house or Ikea furniture, because I think these are a really great way to make your Ikea furniture look a lot more expensive than they are. Now that that is done and I'm making a return, I am gonna start putting the rest of these on. Okay guys, last one is in, and it looks so freaking good. Guys, look at that. It looks so much better. You guys see this? It looks so much more expensive now. These little knobs were about $20 for 20, and I only used 14 of them, so this was only a $14 hack, and it just made my entire bookcase system look $150 more expensive. So highly recommend changing your little knobs if you guys are going to get Ikea furniture. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually hang these shelves. So I bought 5 of these, and I don't think I realized how small they are. Like, these are way smaller than I initially thought they would be. So I think I want to hang like 2 together like this, and then actually I think I'm gonna hang 3 together. Oh yeah, 3 of these fit across. Also, sorry if you guys keep seeing my sticky boobs, because this little tube top keeps falling down on me because my boobs aren't big enough to hold them up. They didn't give me screws. Ikea, what the heck? Okay, well that sucks. I just made one of the shelves. This looks so freaking cute. And then now I have 4 more to make. Let's go do that. Alright, so I just finished making all 5 of the shelves, and then I forgot that I actually have this set from Ikea, and it comes with like 1,000,000 screws, and I'm hoping that some of these screws will actually fit the shelves. I'm pretty sure I have to use like a flat head like this versus, this is so technical, but this is like a round head. It doesn't lay flat, so we're gonna try to find a bunch of these. Okay, so the maximum weight I'm allowed to put on these shelves is 11 pounds, which I think is plenty. This is too long, this is too short, and I don't know if I have any sizes in between. I don't know why I have decided to reorganize this entire section over here so that everything is in the right little holes. This is such a waste of time. I don't need to do this, but the perfectionist in me who loves to organize has to do it, so I'm doing it. Okay guys, is this or is this not super satisfying? I finally reorganized everything that was in here. So all the large nails are here, anchors, then all the other sizes of nails are down here. I also found 12 screws that are perfect for my size, and there's 12 of them, so I have 2 extras just in case I lose 2. Now let's put this together. Oh my god, where did I put it? I just grabbed, what's that thing called that like balances everything? I just grabbed my little like stick that balances stuff. What is this called? Guys, I'm blanking on this word, but this helps make sure everything is properly balanced. There's a special word for this tool. We are just gonna do this project right now because I am putting it off. Also, I need to stop talking like this. It's not TikTok, okay? But I keep doing it. Guys, it looks so freaking good. I got my first one done. I have 2 more little layers to go. I think I actually want to buy some more of these from Ikea at some point. But for now, this looks so freaking good. This actually touches the wall on this side. I didn't want this to be all the way against the mirror or the window, because I'm actually gonna put curtains over there, so the curtain rod's gonna extend out of the window. So I just like needed like an inch to an inch and a half for that space. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this one here, and then I'm gonna have another one like on that side. So it's like not super even, it's a little like uneven. I think that would look really freaking cool. I need to figure this out more before I do anything. All right, peace out. Okay, update guys. After playing around with the shells, I figured out the spacing, and then I also put my MissTiffanyMa plaque for hitting 1 million right here just to see if all the spacing was good. I've been doing this for like the last 45 minutes. I think this is what we're gonna be settled on. Also, I'm currently eating a lot of these dang crisps. These are literally my new favorite snacks. So freaking good. I'm currently using all these Marc Jacobs perfumes as like a little leveler, so everything stays nice and straight. I don't know if it's really working, but Jesus. Perfect. All right, we are down to our last one. So happy to be done with these. Guys, I've never been so happy. These shelves look magnificent. I guess the next step would be to just put all my cute little jewelry / makeup and skincare on here. And so many of you guys commented in my video being so happy that I got rid of all of my PR boxes. Be proud that I got rid of some of them. I did not get rid of all of them. I could not get myself to get rid of this one. This is L'Oreal's collaboration with Balmain, a luxury brand. So of course I had to keep this. This one is so freaking beautiful. At one point, I actually want to get a neon sign that says my podcast name on it and just like hang it on one of these shelves. I'm so excited about this room. This room is looking so freaking cute. Also, you'll notice that the shelves are uneven. Like on this side, there's like a 7-inch gap. And on this side, it's maybe like a 4 or 5-inch gap. I didn't want anything to look perfect, so that's why they're slightly spaced unevenly, just for like aesthetics purposes. So this was actually the box of makeup that I set aside. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, it's heavy. This is kind of like how I like to decorate. I like to keep all my home decor stuff in one spot so that I can see every single piece. It helps when you decorate a lot. So if you guys are decorating and you don't know how to decorate like your shelves, your bookcases, your like table, literally take all your home decor stuff, put it on one giant table. That way visually you can see everything. So I'm gonna take all these items out. I have all of these items that are brown, gold, pink. I'm hoping for more like a black, white, gold, pink palette, but we will see after looking at everything. Like I have these random candles that I don't think I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna take everything out and lay it on this table. So I put together all the items I might want to decorate with. I found the biggest score. So I love Disclosure. They're one of my favorite DJs ever. Inside of their album, I didn't realize they had these little record covers, which are so freaking cool. And it came with 2 of them. Here's another Disclosure album that I want to decorate with. I have a couple PR boxes. I told you guys I did keep some. So I'm actually not going to decorate the room right now because Matthew just made us dinner. All right, this is what we're having for dinner. It's Casio e pepe today pasta from Trader Joe's. It is hands down the best pasta they have at Trader Joe's. So this is my portion. This is Matthew's portion with turkey. As you guys know, I don't eat turkey right now, but currently having a poached egg, a bunch of sweet potatoes, a bunch of sauce, and some pasta. This looks so good. All right, guys, it's been a few hours, and Matt and I just ate dinner, watched Vampire Diaries. I also found a bunch more makeup that I actually wanted to put on this wall. So I'm gonna show you guys the new collection that I have up here. So I found these really cool, pretty luminescent collector's items from the Lion King collection they put out. Their collection for Lion King is so beautiful that I was like, I have to put these up. I also found my collection from Urban Outfitters, actually Urban Decay, not Urban Outfitters. Their Game of Thrones collector's items. I could not put these up. Eyeshadow palette. This is so pretty. The first thing I want to put up is this L'Oreal X Balmain box. Y'all all made fun of me for keeping my PR boxes, but you gotta say, this is a really good PR box that I wanted to keep for sure. Oh yeah. Is that weird? Oh, that's a little weird. Oh, that's too tall. I don't even know what that thing is. I got it from Home Goods the other day. I was like, oh, it looks kind of cool. It's kind of cool. If we don't like it, we'll take it away later. I for sure want to use these album artworks like this. We also have T Swift's 1989 album cover. Let's see, this one would be cute over here. Oh, that's kind of cute. I have all of these beautiful Kayali perfumes. I'm like, do I put them together? Do I like leave them all next to one another like this? Or do I separate the four into like different spots? Am I looking for cohesiveness or like a statement? Because all four of them together makes a statement. Do we like the Disclosure Caracal album with the album sleeve or without? Because with the album sleeve, it says Caracal on it. Without the sleeve, it just looks like a jack-o'-lantern. Did I just say jack-o'-lantern? I don't know what cat this is, but I think it's the cat that has like a jack in the name.
Guys, I'm editing the video. I'm such a dumbass. The cat's name is literally a caracal.
But kind of looks cool without the sleeve. Oh, that looks cute. I have decided I'm putting all of these together. Cute. Never mind, you're no longer in the middle. You got downgraded, boy. Whew. Whew. Okay. Okay, really liking the top and bottom shelf right now. Alright guys, I just finished decorating the wall. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little sneak peek of it. I am so happy I randomly found these in my Disclosure album. Hands down the best find out of everything. Also at one point, I actually wanted to spray paint the inside of this white, and I'm really happy I didn't do that because now my 1 million plaque just goes with everything. I think that's everything I'm gonna work on today. It is like 12 a.m. I'm ready to go to bed. Hey guys, it is the next day now, and I figured I would show you guys what I did. The room is looking so freaking good. Every single time I walk into this room now, I'm like, holy freaking cow, I cannot believe these shelves were only like $25 a pop. Super inexpensive for shelves. But I'll link the shelves and the bookcases that I got from Ikea down below for you guys because I want you guys to be able to customize your guys' Ikea stuff and make it look really freaking expensive. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I did to the shelves. They look so good. Alright guys, here is an overview of the shelves. I wish it was a little bit brighter out because it is a cloudy day today. Also, it's like 4 p.m. so the sun's gone down, but this morning it looked so beautiful and so freaking cool in here. So these are all Kayali perfumes, a little Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, some Tatcha lip gloss, Yves Saint Laurent lipsticks. If you want to make your Ikea shelves look more expensive, I would highly suggest making sure that they custom fit all the way from one edge to another. I got really lucky where my shelves fit perfectly, but say you didn't have this much space or you had more space, I would highly suggest getting a saw, cutting them to size because they look so freaking good. I personally think these look custom built because it's one long shelf, so I highly suggest putting shelves together so it looks longer because although this looks expensive with just one shelf like this, boy, this looks expensive. Also, whatever you decide to put on your shelves definitely will say if it looks expensive or not. So I chose a very, very neutral color theme, one that wasn't too colorful because I feel like darker, more gold, neutral colors just look a little bit more expensive. And I chose some luxury brand pieces to put up. All right guys, that is it with today's video. That is it with part 4 of my hoarding to office makeover. I do know buying really good furniture for your house or for your apartment or for your dorm room is so freaking expensive. Like, not all of us can afford West Elm, and I totally get it. That is why I wanted to show you guys a couple of hacks on how to make your Ikea furniture look a lot more expensive than they really are. Highly, highly suggest buying these 2 pieces from Ikea. They look expensive. And I have decided that the next part in the series is going to be the final reveal. So I'm gonna decorate everything so it's perfect and then show you guys a final reveal of everything. I still need to add a rug, I still need to add curtains, I still need to add wall decor and things like that. So the next part might not be for another couple of weeks because I do have some DIYs I want to make. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this series of me making over my hoarding room. If you guys have been following the process, you guys know I have kept making this room a giant mess because there was no purpose to it. If you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below who's your childhood crush, because my childhood crush was probably Chad Michael Murray and Tyler Lockwood from Vampire Diaries. So those are my 2 childhood crushes. And now I want to know who's your guys' childhood crushes. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.